Hey guys, it's Alex here from Homey. In this video, I want to show you how to pair up your KlikAaNKlikUit remote control. This is also called Trust Smart Home in regions outside of Holland. Now, this remote control often comes in one of these packs with 3 smart plugs from Trust Smart Home. The remote control can also be paired to Homey to then incorporate in Flows to control various different devices. Let's pair this up. In the Homey app, let's head to Devices and hit the plus in the top right. Now here you want to search for the brand of this device. So in this case, KlikAaNKlikUit. So I'll type in Klik and I'll tap on the app for this device. Now here you'll see the range of devices that Homey can integrate with that are built by KlikAaNKlikUit. Now in this case, I want the APC3-2300R. That's the code of this remote. So I'll tap on the tile and hit connect. Now, as always, Homey offers detailed pairing instructions for the device you're looking to pair. In this case, it's really simple. All I need to do is press any button on your device. So I'm going to press the on button. Once the device has successfully paired with Homey, you'll see it appear on your home screen. Now, I can dive into it by holding on the tile for the device. In this case, I have no available controls since it's a remote control. So I'm going to have to create a flow which automates this remote control and sends signals to the rest of your devices in your smart home. I'm going to quickly set up a flow to toggle this lamp on and off. Now I've created 2 flows for this device, one to turn the lamp off and one to turn it back on again. You'll see the 2 flows here in my device flow panel. Now if I tap on off, you'll see the light next to me turns off. Tap on and it'll turn back on. Now you have a lot of options with this remote control since you have 3 sets of on-off buttons and an all-off button. You can set these up in the way that you want to work with your smart home.